The church, we're falling asleep. Widows and orphans weep nationwide in the streets while we walk in cleaned up and quietly take our seats. I refuse to pick and choose based off different views when there's only one. The words of your Son, pure, holy, blameless, without fault. He's called us to pick up our crosses, no time for flavorless salt. The default of the church should not be to stay inside playing religion. It should be an uncontrollable urge to reach out, proclaiming the one who's risen. If we never tell them, then how can they know their sins can be forgiven? Don't let your words fall upon deaf ears. Instead, let by your love my actions be driven. I can't continue to follow you by showing up robotically, methodically following a sequence of what America's determined church ought to be. I refuse. How dare we spit in our Savior's face, mocking his views from pews when he gave it all and so beautifully pursued so that our hearts might be renewed. Yeah, we say we're Christian, but can the people I encounter even tell? Do I share my vision of demolishing idols? I see holy revival, no more staying idle, stepping out is vital for the vitals of God's heartbeat. No more playing church on repeat, but humbly seeking his face at his feet, I deplete myself. So fill me up again, and let this light shine brighter than it's ever been. God, change my statuses. I'm no longer dormant. I'm going all in. Tell the nations I'm your informant.